Hey everybody, it's Brian of the Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about another one of those things on Squarespace that is not real difficult to do, but you have to know where to look to do it, and that's uploading a file to your Squarespace website to make available for people to download. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's head on over my screen. All right, we're here on my demo website. And to show you how to do this, I'm going to head on over to, I've got a blank page under donate here on this demo website. And I'm going to show you, so we've got a couple of blank sections here. So this is just one way to do this. I'm sure there's multiple ways to do it. But what I would do is go into add a block and add a button block. Just for the heck of it, we'll get it centered up there. And then we want to edit this button block. And so like if it's this, we were putting this on the website for someone to download it, then you might label the button download now. And then you would just go attach link. And the default on when you attach a link is for a URL, but you can select a file, an email, or a phone number. So you can go file right there. Make sure the open link in new tab is selected, and then you're going to hit the up arrow there for upload. You're going to upload this file, and I'm going to select. This is just a JPEG that I have for the front of my business card. So I'm going to open, and so it attaches that, and we go save, exit. And then if we went to like full screen preview here and you go to download now, you see it opens up in another tab there. Okay, and so then you can also do this, like you could put it in a link up here. You can make it be like a hypertext link. So like if we wanted to go a text block and we would say download your PDF or your file. It's not a PDF. Here, and then you wanted to make here be hyperlink, then you would just select the text, select the link button, and then click file, and then you can select that file. And so then now that's the same thing. It's going to be when you click it, it's going to open a new tab, just like before. And then the other thing you could do would be to add it as a main navigation link up here. And so you could just add that here, hit the plus, go down to link, and then say, file download, and then select file and pick that file, save, and you see it there. So go to full screen preview, hit file download. There it is again. So that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.